Hello everyone, hope you are very well. So today topic is top trending strategies in USA for common active secret trading strategies. Everyone know that. Now, number one, day trading. Number two, swing trading. Cost in hunt with trading. Posting trading. Sibling the bottom line. Active trading is the act of buying and selling security based on short term movement to profit from the price movement on a short term stock chart. The mentally associated with an active trading strategies differ from the long term buy and hold strategies found among passive or indexed investors. Active traders believe that short-term movement and capturing the market trend are where the profit are made. There are various methods used to apply and active trading strategies, each with appropriate market environment and risk inherent in the strategies. Here are four of most common active trading strategies and the built-in cost of each strategy. Key takeaway: active trading is a strategies that involve beating the market through infinite and timing profitable trade, often for short holding period. Within active trading, there are several general strategies that can be employed. Day trading, position trading, swing trading, and scaling are four popular active trading methodologies. Day trading. Day trading is a perhaps that most well-known active trading style. It often considered as pseudonym for active trading itself. Day trading, as its name implies, is the method of buying and selling security with the same day. Position are closed out with the same day they are taken and no position is held overnight. Traditionally, day trading is done by professional traders such as a specialist or market maker. However, electronic trading has opened up the practice to novice traders. Position trading, some actually consider position trading to be a buy and hold strategies and not active trading. However, position trading when done by an advanced trader can be form of active trading. Position trading use longer term chart anywhere from daily to monthly in a combination with other methods to determine the trend of the current market direction. This type of trade may last for several days to several weeks and sometimes longer depending on the trend. Trend trader look for successive high or lower high to determine the trend of a security by jumping on or reading the wave. Trend trader armed to benefit from both the up and down side of market movement. Trend trader look to determine the direction of a market, but they do not try to forecast and price level. Typically, trend trader jump on the trend after it has established itself, and when the trader break, they usually exit the position. This means that is the period of higher market volatility. Trend trading is most difficult and its position are generally reduced. Swing trading. When a trend breaks, swing trading typically get in the game. At the end of trade, there is usually some price volatility as the new trend tier to establish itself. Swing trader buy or sell as that price volatility set in. Swing traders are usually hit for more than a day but for a shorter time than trade. Swing trade often create a set of trading rules based on technical or fundamental analysis. These trading rules or algorithms are designed to identify when to buy and sell a security. While a swing trading algorithm does not have to be exact and predict the back of valley of a price moves, it does need a market that move in a one direction or another. A range bound or sideways market is a risk for swing trader. Thank you.